Welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm excited to have you join me today as we dive into the Westmore Beauty Body Coverage Perfector, a waterproof leg and body makeup designed to give you flawless skin from head to toe. This product claims to provide exceptional coverage for everything from stretch marks to tattoos. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Westmore Beauty Body Coverage Perfector comes in a convenient 3.5-aughts tube, offering a range of 11 shades, designed to match various skin tones. It promises to instantly even out your skin tone, concealing imperfections like scars, veins, and tattoos. The product is formulated with treated pigments and light-reflecting minerals, giving you a natural, radiant finish. What's more, it's designed to be waterproof, sweat-proof, and transfer-resistant for up to 24 hours of wear. The brand boasts its Tri-Effects technology, which aims to deliver long-lasting coverage that feels like skin. And this is key in providing a natural look without feeling heavy or cakey. Now let's get into real-world testing. Applying the product was a breeze. It's lightweight, and the formula glides on smoothly. I used it on my legs and arms, focusing on areas where I typically experience uneven skin tones, like a few scars and a tattoo. The coverage was impressive. My skin looked even, and those imperfections were significantly blurred out. I also tested its wear time, and I have to say, it really lived up to its claim of being waterproof and sweatproof. After a long day of errands and outdoor activities, I didn't notice any transfer onto my clothes, and my skin still looked flawless. However, there were a few things to consider. While the product provides great coverage, it can be a bit tricky to blend in larger areas. For smaller imperfections, it worked wonders, but when I used it for larger areas like my arms, I needed to be more mindful of blending to avoid unevenness. Additionally, while the finish is natural, I did find it slightly more noticeable on drier areas of my skin. Be sure to moisturize well before application for the best result. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Westmore Beauty Body Coverage Perfector offers exceptional coverage and delivers on its waterproof and sweatproof promises. Its range of shades also makes it versatile for various skin tones. The formula feels lightweight and doesn't cake, which is a huge plus for body makeup. On the flip side, blending can be tricky on larger areas, and the formula might not be as forgiving on dry skin unless you properly prep. In terms of value for money, this product is a bit on the pricier side, but considering its performance, longevity, and multi-use ability, especially for events or photo shoots, I'd say it's worth the investment for those seeking long-lasting, high-coverage body makeup. Comparing it to other body makeup products, I'd say Westmore Beauty stands out in terms of its longevity and the natural finish it provides. While other brands might offer similar coverage, they often don't have the same staying power. If you're looking for something that will hold up through a sweaty workout or a day at the beach, this could be your go-to. That said, it's a bit heavier than some alternatives that give you a more dewy, skin-like finish. When it comes to build quality, the product is packaged in a tube that dispenses just the right amount of product, making it easy to use without wasting. The formula feels high-end and smooth on application, though as mentioned, it's important to prep your skin beforehand for the best finish. As for longevity, this product is built for long-term use, and based on my experience, it should maintain its performance over time without drying out or losing its texture. As for customer support, I haven't had direct interactions with Westmore Beauty's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation in the beauty industry, particularly for products that cater to people looking for heavy-duty coverage. In terms of product alternatives, if you're looking for a more affordable option, you might want to check out brands like Dermablend or Sally Hansen, both of which offer body makeup with similar coverage and transfer-resistant properties, though they might not provide the same natural finish or longevity. To sum up, the Westmore Beauty Body Coverage Perfector is an excellent choice for those in need of high coverage that lasts all day. Its waterproof, sweat-proof, and transfer-resistant qualities make it a standout for anyone with tattoos, scars, or blemishes they want to hide for a long period. However, you'll want to take extra care with blending and skin prep, especially on dry areas. It's best suited for people who need reliable coverage for special events or for those who want to conceal tattoos or other imperfections for extended periods. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more product reviews. Also, if you've tried this product or have any thoughts, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. Catch you next time, where beauty is always perfected.